Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 27, remove element. Okay, so it's an easy difficulty one. So given an integer array nums and integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the element may be changed and return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So basically it's the follow-up to the last one that we did. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val vk. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. So basically we have to change the nums such that the first k elements in nums contains the elements which are not equal to val, and the remaining elements of the nums are not important, and will return the k at the end. Okay, so if you have 3 2 2 3 and a value to be 3, so we have to return everything which is not 3, and the first couple of elements, so whatever the number we're gonna return, those many elements should not have 3 in it. Okay, similarly goes for this. What are the constraints? So nums.length could go from 0 to 100, and each number is between 0 to 50, and the value could be between 0 to 100. Okay, so simple follow-up to that, what we can do, just whatever the approach we saw last time, we'll just build on top. So let's take j equals -1 this time instead of 0 that we took last time, because the first element could also be val. Okay, the first element could also be val, so we have to start from I to be 0, right? So also it's not in the sorted order, and the order is of no importance here as well. There is nothing is in the mention of the orders. Okay, so here what we can do for I in range 0 to endian of nums, what we can do is just check if nums of I is equal to val. If it is equal, then we will skip. If it is not equal, then what we want to do is increment j, and nums of j now equals nums of I. Simple as that. So basically if it is not the value, then so j is now at -1. If it is value, we'll skip this. I goes to 2, I goes to 1, so the index would be 1 and the value would be 2, so 2 is not 3. Then what we would do, we'll just increment j and copy whatever is not the value, right? And that's pretty much it, and we would just return j plus 1. That's it. Let's see if it passes all the cases, and it does, and submit. Perfect. Thank you so very much for tuning in. This one's a short one, but stick around for the more upcoming videos. Thank you so very much.